Hello everyone, welcome back to our IP audio series tutorial. In this episode, I will introduce the outgoing call of M100 dispatch microphone console S button feature. By setting the outgoing call feature on the button, user can just press the fast key to paging, call the destination devices by using the microphone or the external audio input devices. Next, I'll demonstrate how to configure it. Here I will take M100 and I intercom as an example. First you need to register them on the SIP server. After finishing this, you could go back to the M100's web GUI, click the basic settings button settings. You can configure all the buttons on this page. For each page, it displays 10 buttons and 3 pages in total. Next you could select an empty button and give it a name. The buttons can be configured with some features including outgoing call, HTTP request, DTMF request, relay control, and multicast. Then choose the action as the outgoing call. You can set the audio source as the microphone or external audio input. Then fill in the I's SIP account into the destination. Click submit to save these settings. Next, let me have a test on the devices. When I press the outgoing call fast key, and you will see the M100 is calling the 1002, which is the intercom. So now they established the connection, and you could paging the intercom by this way.